Zdravo, jebote, kako ste danas? My name's Danny, but most people know me as Serbian lesson guy, which is mostly awkward for them. Right? Obviously, from my surroundings, you can tell that I'm here in Serbia. Evo me tu, jebote, u Belgrad. Kad sam tu, ja ću praviti jako puno srpske lekciju, jebote, pičku materinu. Da, ali danas, I'm here to invite you to my comedy show. Neki stand-up comedy nastup, jebote. Da, u Biti Fart Cafe. This Friday. Oh, sorry. It's an entirely new stand-up comedy show. Jokes that I've never done before. About places that I've never been. With things that I've never seen. Pičko mater. Kad ideš sve? Pa tako je kad ideš kod baku, a?
Ja, bakica jadna.
Where do these pictures come from? Stvarno, crveni zid ovo. Jeboja. Ma ti si pravi interior decorator, a? So I do hope you will join me this Friday at Bitifart Cafe. Link in the description below. Smejećemo se. Da gledaš. Ma pusti me miru, vidiš što snimam, jebo. Dobro onda, vidimo se. Ćao.